Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you an updated tutorial on how to get Valorant true stretch res. So on my last video the method actually got patched, but I did find a new one and I'll be showing it to y'all today. So first thing you want to do is go and press Windows plus R, so just Windows and R, and type in percent local app data percent. Press OK, and you'll be directed to this folder, and just press V. If Valorant doesn't show up, just try finding the Valorant folder. It will be all in caps. Just double click it, saved, config, and then I want you to delete all this so then we can start fresh. After you're done deleting all that, you don't have to close this page, but you want to load up Valorant. Now that you have Valorant loaded, you want to go into settings, and when you're going into settings, I want you to set your graphics settings as normal. So I have everything on low, like always. And now I want you to go into general on video settings. I want you to keep this at full screen, this at your normal native resolution, and then put this on fill. It has to be on fill in order to get true stretch res and all that. After that, I'll just change this real quick because I run 165 Hz on Valorant. And then you can just close the game completely. Now that you closed the game, you want to go back into your folder, and then you'll see this right here. It'll show a new client ID, which is just your settings and all that you have on Valorant right now. And if you'll have multiple of these, you could actually just go into window client and then riot local machine, and then you'll see this ID right here. And if you do have multiple folders that look like this right here, you could just go on window client and then it will show the actual folder that has your settings and all that, which mine is literally just this because I only have this folder right here. So you just want to click on this, go into Windows client, and then you'll see game user settings. Double click on that, and now that we're in game user settings, I want you to change your resolution size. So I only want you to change these ones right here. Do not change these ones because apparently just don't work anymore. So I only want you to change these ones. I'll be using 1440p by 1080p as an example, and then you'll see this that says full screen mode, or actually you could just probably type it. So I want you to type in full screen mode, and then this just equals 2, just like that. I want you to type it exactly like this, and then I want you to put it under HDR display output and all that. I want you to put it under here. It has to be under here, or the true stretch res will just not work. And make sure that should letterbox be false, make sure this is false. It has to be false. If it's not false, your game true stretch res will just not work at all. It has to be false in order to work. Alright, so now that you did that, you want to go in here, click file, and then press save. And then after you're done pressing save, right click on game user settings, properties, read only, apply. And that's all for your folders and all that. Now I want you to go into NVIDIA control panel if you have a NVIDIA GPU, which I do. This should be the same on any other GPU control panel and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So you want to go into adjust desktop size and position. And then when you go into adjust desktop size and position, you want to keep this on full screen. And when it is on full screen, you want to put it onto your resolution that you're going to have. So I'm going to do 1440p by 1080p. If you do not have that resolution, you have to go on change resolution, press customize, and then you can create your own custom resolution from over here. But I already have 1440p by 1080p, so I'll just use that. So go back in here and you can keep this on display and then change your resolution. After you're doing that, just press apply, press yes, and now that you did that, you want to go in here to change resolution now, and then you want to go in here and then put your resolution that you're going to change to, and then it will just automatically change. And now my screen should be stretched. So after you're done doing that, you just want to load up Valorant, and then your game should be stretched. If it's not stretched, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see if I can find a fix. But this is the only working method that I've found that actually worked for me. So yeah, check it out, and peace y'all.